Okay, so you're going to see a video here in a second where we're showing you our trailer. In the video, I'm asking Kev's Can Cave about maybe if he would know anything about it because it's very old. And it turns out he probably doesn't. But anyways, Cruiser Mac might. I I can't really find very much out about this trailer, but I do put in here what I did find out. First, let's watch the first part of the video. This is our new trailer that we just got at the auction. I'll spin this around. It's a 1956 Evergreen. I tried looking it up and I can't find anything about it. There is a VIN plate, but I'm gonna have to. It says Evergreen, but it doesn't really say. So it's Evergreen Trailers. Yeah, I'll have to figure something out. It's 209 is the VIN, but I think that's like a different one because you can see there's other numbers under there. But I'm thinking that Kev's Can Cave maybe knows something about this because it's old and beautiful. So the only thing I can find about Evergreen Trailers is they were RVs, like RV trailers, but I can't see that this would have ever been an RV trailer.
No end.
This is kind of neat. Nice junk and scrap it all, but like the hitches or the latches. And yeah, and the other kind of neat thing, that's the Specialty. Where is it? Specialty Tires of America, and they are military. Somewhere on here it says military. I know on the other side it did. Yeah, right here. NDT military. I don't know what that means, but they do have the M&S mud and snow here, so I can't imagine that they are not allowed to be on the highway. But yeah, so this is our little baby. I very happy with it. Oh, nice junk. There is some scratches in there. I'll have to get that painted again. Anyways, what do you think? The yeah, when we saw it at the auction, it was the very first kind of thing we noticed that stood out. It was such a nice little trailer, and it pulls amazing. But I'll go in and see if I can look up. I'm gonna take that little pipe cap off because I think there might be something in there that it looks like something where you might have kept your papers or like your whatever. I'm assuming it came from the States at some point and just ended up here, but we'll see. Yeah, I tried to get it. I need to get a wrench on it.
Yeah.
Anyhow, this is, I don't know what we're gonna name this one.
Betty.
Betty. We're gonna see if we can spin Pearl's trailer hitch upwards so that it'll. Okay, I don't think I did, but if I did, I'll block it in.
Okay.
So that's way too low right now, but I think if we flip that around and then flip the ball around, it should be good because it's. Oh yeah, that was the other kind of neat thing. It's got like the stand, you just pop the bolt out and the stand just flips under, you stick the bolt back in, and we don't ever lose the stand. The other one, you have to kind of wire the stand to the trailer so you don't lose it. And then I just have to put a new plug on, but I got lots of that wire. And yeah, we'll be good to go. So I when I got back in the house, I took a photo of the which you've already seen, of the VIN tag. It's really hard to make out, but I did make out whatever it was, 1324 Franklin Street. So when I Googled Evergreen and 1324 Franklin, or whatever it was, I can't remember now, but I got some documents. I'll put them in here. And they're from the government of Canada. There was one in 1958 and one in 1963. where Evergreen Trailer Company Limited was listed as a manufacturer of motor vehicles and motor vehicle parts or something like that. But then that was it, and I said, so I found out that they obviously they made that trailer in 1956, and then the last year of them even being on the internet of any sort is in 1964. They were paid by the province of British Columbia for like 900 and something dollars. Like, so they were listed as a supplier to the province. So maybe the province brought a trailer or a truck body or something from them. Anyways, they're really not too much. This is where it was, and it is now an antiques market. And yeah, that's, I don't know, it's kind of cool, but like, I mean, it's kind of sad that there's nothing else about them. I really kind of like to learn more about them, but I don't know how you do. So if anybody, and I'm looking at you, Cruiser Mac, because 1956, you would have been a young man probably. I can't even pull that one off the base. You're not Ian Matthews old, but close. the But yeah, I just thought you might have seen something about them, in your travels around down there. If you have, let me know, buddy. Bye.